And here we have the Editor's Backlit Keyboard for Mac OS X. This was filmed and ordered in about September 2018, and I'm editing it in February 2023. So I bought it with the wrist strap, pretty basic, just a bit of foam, nothing special. I think it did smell, I can't remember whether it did or not, but it's got this cool grippy back to it. It's the UK Euro version. You get enhanced productivity with it. It's made in China as well. You got 3 levels of backlit illumination on it. That's all you get in the box, just the keyboard. Obviously, if you don't know how to use a keyboard, get help. The keys are actually quite nice. Quite a, kind of a generically nice keyboard, if you get what I mean. Got little stands there. A USB-A, USB 2. The cable length is about 1 meter, and when you turn the backlight on for the first time, it's quite impressive. Nice. Looks really nice. Looks fantastic, actually. Very impressive. Although that doesn't quite come off here. All the shift buttons here, it's a little bit weak around here, this bit here, but overall, apart from these 2 buttons, looks pretty cool. So I've got this new Editor's Key Mac keyboard, backlit. It's quite nice looking, but there's an issue with sleep. When I go to sleep, it goes to sleep and then it wakes up straight away. So I've just clicked on sleep. The lights should go off, but then the machine will turn on again. And it's back. So yeah, it's a problem. It also does it when I turn the sleep off. So I'm now going to turn the backlight off. The backlight is off, and I'm now going to click on sleep. So it will go to sleep for some time. I've clicked on sleep, it's going to sleep. And it's asleep. So I'm now going to stand. Sometimes it's weird, it sort of turns on. Oh, it's back. It's just turned itself on without me actually doing anything. So yeah, this keyboard is making my Mac sleep and wake up frequently. It's not that good. And also, what I noticed was on here, I'll just turn the backlight on. I don't know if you can see this, but the option key, it's kind of printed, it looks like they were drunk at the Chinese factory. So there's a few things there that I've noticed. Also, I mean, you can't really see. But overall, I mean, it's an okay keyboard, but it's obviously, if it keeps waking my Mac up, it's faulty.